Stop paying for AI tools. What if I told you every premium model you have been using is now available free and unlimited? No trials, no credits, no hacks, no shady stuff. I spent hours digging through the internet, testing platforms and hitting limits, until I found one site that quietly gives access to top-tier models people normally pay hundreds for, all in one place. We are talking advanced text models, world-class image generators, cinematic video with sound, and even tools to build full apps and websites. And yes, this is 100% legal. If you create content, build products, study, or just want serious AI advantages, this video could save you a lot of money. Without wasting any minute, let us jump in. This platform is called LLM Arena. It lets you run deep research, generate images, build apps and websites, and even create videos with sound, all completely free and unlimited. You might be wondering why it is free. The answer is simple. It is a research project where major companies submit their newest AI models to compete against each other. Your job as a user is to test them in creative ways and give feedback on how they perform. That feedback is used to improve and rank the models, and in return for helping out, you get access to everything at no cost. Let us start with deep research by selecting this option right here. From here, make sure to choose direct chat because it lets you test one model at a time. As you can see, we have a full list of the latest models. I am selecting Gemini 3 Pro for its strong reasoning ability. Now I am asking it to do deep research and list 5 AI-powered businesses. I can start with zero budget. For each one, give a one-sentence description, 2 recommended free AI tools, 3 immediate first steps, and 1 quick monetization idea. After hitting run, it connects to the model and begins gathering information. Instead of wasting time jumping between tabs and searching all over the internet, this takes one simple instruction and a single click. Boom. Look at this. It has generated 5 business ideas you can start with AI and zero budget. For each one, it includes 2 free tools, clear steps to get started right away, and a way to make money. The same structure is used for every idea, which makes it insanely easy to compare. By the way, this output is valuable. Drop a comment below if you want these ideas. And instead of paying up to $20 a month for Gemini Pro, we are using it right here for free. And if you have been generating scripts for your social media content that sound robotic, let me show you the tool I use to make my YouTube videos sound human. It is called Decopy AI, and it helps you write smarter instead of harder. I have left the link in the description, and you can try it for free. Just click on AI Humanizer, paste in the script you generated with AI, choose whether you want to shorten it, expand it, or keep it normal length, set the tone, define the output purpose, select your target language, and then hit Humanize Text. In just a few seconds, you will have a script that sounds natural and authentic, almost impossible to tell it was written by AI. After that, you can copy it into Google Docs or download it straight to your computer. And if you have been spending hours watching and transcribing videos, Decopy AI completely removes that headache. Choose YouTube Summarize, paste in the video link, confirm the language, make sure the output is set to summary, and click Summarize. You instantly get a full transcript, a 1-paragraph overview, a timeline summary, key points, insights, FAQs, and a conclusion. What would normally take you hours is finished in minutes. Decopy AI is also packed with powerful tools. Their AI detector can check whether content was created by models like ChatGPT, Gemini, with accuracy rates of up to 99%. If you are dealing with long articles, research papers, PDFs, or even YouTube videos, the AI Summarizer handles all of that in one click, breaking complex information into clear, easy-to-read summaries so you save massive amounts of time. For students, the AI Homework and Math Solver walks through algebra, calculus, and geometry step by step. And beyond these, Decopy AI includes other powerful functions for creators, professionals, and everyday productivity. Now that you have seen how powerful this platform is for research, let us switch to image generation. The moment we do that, the models automatically filter down to the top image generators available. Whether you want to build storyboards for storytelling, create visuals for commercial products, or design any type of image at all, everything is here in one place. For example, I am selecting Seedream 4.5, which is ByteDance's latest image model, and pasting in a detailed prompt for a perfume commercial ad. And in just a few seconds, look at this. We get stunning results. This alone shows you can generate high-quality, brand-ready visuals and turn them into viral UGC-style ads for businesses, then start monetizing without spending anything on AI tools. You can also generate high-budget thumbnails instead of hiring a designer. I am switching to Gemini 3 Pro, powered by Nano Banana Pro, and uploading this image as a character reference, then pasting in a structured prompt for a professional YouTube thumbnail using the uploaded image. It takes seconds, not hours in Photoshop or Canva, and without paying a thumbnail designer, and just look at the result, the background, colors, and lighting blend perfectly. I achieved this completely free in seconds, and if you have been watching my videos, every thumbnail you see on this channel, including the one on this video, was generated with AI. This platform is honestly a game changer. Where it gets even crazier is that you can build full websites or apps on this platform even if you have zero coding experience. Just click the feature labeled Build Websites or Apps. Assume I want a simple calculator. I will type this precise instruction. A simple calculator app that lets users add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers with a clean interface and instant results. Then I switch to direct chat and instantly all the top coding models organize themselves in one place. I chose Minimax M2, one preview, and hit run. The model receives the instructions and starts building. Instead of spitting out plain code, it creates a complete app with layout and full functionality that you can edit anytime. Let us test it. Some calculations work while others are wrong, which is normal when you first build and test an app. To fix that, I prompt it to adjust the logic so users get accurate results after input. Now the updated version is ready. I multiply 12 by 12, which should be 144, and the app gets it right this time. This is a huge opportunity for developers who want to prototype fast, and for beginners who want to build and deploy apps and websites without writing a single line of code. And lastly, this is the part everyone has been waiting for: video generation. Simply switch to video mode and drop in a prompt. The platform is now powered by Video Arena to create high-quality videos, and I am testing whether it can generate clips with fully synced dialogue using this example prompt. It runs 2 powerful video models and gives you 2 different results. Let us play them.
I started my salon as a side hustle, working nights and weekends. Now it pays my bills and stay consistent. I started my salon as a side hustle, working nights and weekends. Now it pays my bills. If you've got a dream...
Honestly, both outputs are impressive, and I would vote for both. If you are a content creator or working on projects and want access to top-tier models inside one platform without switching tabs or running into paywalls, LLM Arena is your solution. And do not forget to check out Decopy AI for content quality assurance, human-sounding scripts, and fast video summaries instead of wasting hours transcribing. If this video helped you, like it, share it with a friend, and support the channel by subscribing. See you in the next one.